In this question, we're given quite a bit of information here, but the thing we're looking for is the age of Tom's sister. Now, normally with questions like this, we would start by saying, let Tom's sister age be X, or whatever letter we want to use. However, with this question, everything seems to revolve around Tom. So it makes sense to use Tom as the unknown and then work from there. So we can say something like, let Tom's age be, and let's use T for Tom. Now, Tom's father is 3 times as old as Tom. So Tom's father is 3 times as old as Tom. So therefore, Tom's father, well, if he's 3 times as old, he is 3T. Now, the mother, well, she is 5/6 of the father's age. So let's have a look at the mother. So the mother is 5/6 of the father's age, and the father's age is 3T. Now in maths, the word of means multiplication. So what we've got is 5/6 of 3T. Now what I can do here, I can actually cancel. I can cancel the 3 because 3 goes into 3 once and 3 goes into 6 twice. And if I just simplify that a little bit, what we've got is 5 times the 1t, so 5t over 2. Now I'm not going to bother with the sister's age just yet. I'm going to use this next bit of information here that says Tom's father is 6 years older than his mother. So Tom's father is 6 years older than his mother. Well, Tom's father is 3T, and that is equal to 6 years older than his mother. Well, the mother is 5T over 2, so 5T over 2, and he's 6 years older than that, so that's plus 6. So what I have here is an equation, and I can actually solve that equation to find the value of t. So let me write that down a little bit lower. So we've got 3t is equal to 5t over 2 plus the 6. Now when you get something like this with a fraction, the best thing to do is to get rid of that fraction. So I want to eliminate that 2. So I'm going to multiply everything by 2. So I'm going to multiply this by 2, this by 2, and this by 2. Now when I do that, I'll obviously get a 6t equals, well, the times by 2 and the divide by 2, they'll just cancel. So I'll have 5t, and then I'll have a plus 12. Now I need to eliminate the 5t from this right-hand side, so I'm going to subtract 5t, and whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other side, so subtract 5t from there as well. The 6t minus the 5t is just t. The 5t and the minus 5t on the right-hand side, they'll cancel, leave me with just 12. So Tom, T, is 12 years old. Now that's not the question that was asked. The question is, how old is Tom's sister? And she is 3/4 of Tom's age. So Tom's sister, well, she is equal to 3/4 of 12. Now you can probably do this in your head, but we'll just write it down mathematically. It is 3/4. The word of means to multiply, and then we've got the 12. And we can actually cancel a few things here. We can cancel the 4. 4 goes into 4 once. 4 goes into 12 3 times. So what I'm left with is 3 multiplied by 3, which is 9. So Tom's sister is 9 years old.